Thanks for joining in day 0 of making a directory from 0 to 10,000. We've seen them out there. Seems to be possible. Stay tuned to the last part of this video because I'm going to go through all the 5 steps we're going to follow. But as of now, we're in step 1, and it is find your niche. And last video, I have to erase it because it was crap, but last video I shared, and the first comment was I'm going to do exactly the same as you are. So because of that, I'm going to show you some example of different niches you can actually take. I'm looking this way because this is where my screen is. And we are using Gemini to help inspire. So you can have, first of all, what is a directory? A directory is an essential and curated list of resources organized into categories. It is a fantastic way to help people find what they need in a quickly and efficient way. So today, people can go and Google stuff and find lists and blog post stuff, but directories are an easy way for people who can filter and find per category what they're looking for. It can be hiking trails, it can be different types of Christmas candies, it can be different types of services. The point of this directory is to actually make money, and that's going to be step number 4. We're going to tap into business models, but as of now, I wanted to show you a little bit of ideas of which directories you can start. There are some categories. It can be hobby-based directories. It can be, as I said, best hiking trails in your region. It sounds small and easy, but if you're in a region that people go hiking, it may be very relevant. Top-rated board games for families. This is actually a very underestimated one. There's a lot, I was going to say shitloads, but there is a lot of searches on these things. And I'm sure you can make very good partners and affiliate links with Amazon and stuff. So just saying, this top-rated board games for families or games or this niche might be very interesting. Resources for aspiring, you name it. Resources for aspiring writers, resources for aspiring marketers, resources for aspiring, you name it. That's also a great opportunity of niche, and it can be attached to your hobby. The reason we're talking hobbies is because you should, most likely, if you're going to do this project with me, it should be something that is relevant to you and it's interesting to you, and not just with the idea that, like, oh, it has to be something that makes a lot of money, because that's the first thing everybody's going to think of. And if it's not relevant to you, it's going to be boring. And by day 3 or week 3, you're going to be like, because it's not going to be that simple or that fast and easy. So it's going to require work. So my highest recommendation, as of what I've seen it in myself, is choose something that you are naturally interested in, so you follow up. Another one, professional directories. It can be HR tools for HR people, or management tools, or legal resources for small businesses, best productivity apps for remote workers, etc., etc. The remote workers, everything, services, products, etc. It's a huge niche. It could be local directories, like local restaurants you can find with vegan options. This a lot of people have done. I'm not sure it's been done greatly yet. Family friends activities, local plumbers, electricians. What was the other ones? Tax reporters. What is the person that does your taxes? I forgot the word. In Spanish as well. Anyways, Sam from, what is his name? Sam Parr actually made a directory for accountants. That's the word. For accountants and post accountant stuff, and apparently it's making a lot of money. So you go and I think it's called Sam's List. Get inspired there. But you can make it doctors, accountants, lawyers, directories of those things in your community, in your local, in your state. It can be super profitable, super relevant, super interesting if it's something you're interested in. It can be that the subject you're interested in, or it can also be that you're interested in solving that issue because it's painful for you. So that being said, these are some ideas. Please feel free to put more ideas down in the comments. Mine is going to be AI related and small business related. So I already bought the domains for best. You can go search it up. It's being built, so it's going to be crappy right now, but it's best AI tools. No, it's best AI for small businesses, for smallbusiness.com. I cannot even say it. Best AI for small business. I'll show you. See? instead of doing that, I should just share with you. I'm gonna put it in when I edit the video. I'm gonna put it next to it. But yeah, that's AI for small businesses, and I also bought 2 other domains that are related to this, and it's actually fun. You're gonna see. It's I am going one step at a time, and the first step for you is choose your niche. Once you've chosen your niche, go to Namecheap. Is my highest recommended. Everybody goes to GoDaddy. I actually should get. I'm gonna find an affiliate link and I'm gonna refer you. But whether I get an affiliate link for GoDaddy or Namecheap, I highly recommend Namecheap to buy domains. It's my preferred place, and I am an addicted person to buy domains randomly. So yeah, I'm not sure you should take any advice from me. But yes, I would go and buy the domain. So that's day number 1. Take your time, find your niche, realize, like, do research during this week, really research what is it, something you're interested in. If you cannot do enough research to get you hooked and interested for a week, and you're looking for, like, okay, what are the examples, how can I put it, and designs and stuff, then it's not going to be your niche. It's not going to be relevant for you. So find your niche and buy the domain and stay with it for a week while you think about it. Anyways, let's just mention the 5 steps we're going to follow. This is just based on the best practices of other people. I'm just following. I'm not sure. I'm not teaching you. I'm not sure this is going to work or not. We're just hopefully doing it together instead of doing it alone in silos. So number 1 is find your niche. See if you can commit. And buy the domain. Number 2 is find the platform you're going to use to develop the directory. Number 3 is actually build the database of the directory. Find those data points and the categories and how you're going to organize it. Number four is going to be make the first business model. For each of type of directory might be a different one. It can be from affiliate links to actually charging in front to advertisement to, it can be many. So number 4 is going to be exploring the business models for your directory. Number 5, it's going to be bring in traffic with SEO and refer links and yeah, all the ways that you can bring traffic to. So hopefully you join me in this fun path and give me all your ideas down here on what are you going to build your directory in. And before sharing, just go and buy the domain so others don't steal it. And don't spend too much in buying domains. Just find any .com of a keyword that might sound relevant to the niche that you're looking for. Don't overthink it, and hopefully we're doing this together and you keep telling me what you're working on. Thank you so much for joining, and see you next week.